Hey fragrance buddies, do you ever wish that you could make your own perfume at home without spending a lot of money at a department store? Well, today I've got the perfect recipe for you. So today we're going to be making an eau de toilette perfume that has a fairly light fragrance concentration of about 5 to 15%. So to get started, we're going to add our perfumer's alcohol. We're going to add about 100 milliliters of that, and then we'll add 15 milliliters of our fragrance oil. So today we're going to be using our Bella fragrance that is a summery and floral smell that's good for everyday use. And now it's ready to go in our container. And I'm going to be using a funnel so that way I don't make a mess when I'm putting our mixture into the container. Down there. And now add your lid back on. Okay, so now we have a super simple at-home recipe to use. And it smells just like summer. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.